Thank you, Cybertruck fans, for all your questions that you keep feeding us through other videos. And the one question that a lot of people have been asking about lately is, give us more information about the Goodyear tire that comes on the Cybertruck. What about the flip side of it? So let's get right into it. First of all, kudos to all of our friends at Tesla for creating a special tire with Goodyear for the Cybertruck only. And here is the 20-inch tire that currently comes on the Foundation Series trucks. And as you can see, it actually has these really kind of cool cutouts right here. And that's really designed for when you're using these tires with the original Aero covers. Those Aero covers are massive, right? So they kind of like go above the edge of where a wheel would be, and it kind of just sits right in there. We have taken the Cybertruck wheels off these tires. These are our TCT wheels, so a little bit of a different look, but what's kind of cool too is that how it all lines up. But back to the tire. So here is the side of the tire that comes on the Cybertruck that's exposed, right? Now this unique Goodyear tire, which is officially known as a Wrangler Territory RT, can actually be flipped. And when you flip the tire, as you could see here, you kind of like get away from this special sidewall design element that Tesla and Goodyear did, and you can go ahead and have a more traditional style sidewall. So you can have it either way. All you have to do is flip your tires. So now that I've shared this with you guys, let's have some more comments below, please. Which sidewall do you prefer? The way it comes from Tesla with these types of grooves, or do you prefer a more traditional tire sidewall? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.